And let's say if my priority date is 2018, and if my I-140 get approved like next 1 year, in next 1 year,
Mhm,
2025, like,
mhm, mhm.
um, in EB2 I have applied, and my priority date is 2018.
If it's 2018, then you can apply for the 140, get the 140 approved in EB1, and use the 2018 priority date towards the EB1, and you can immediately file the 485. In fact, you can file it concurrently with the 140.
But the green card is available right away in that case, or
Yeah,
no?
concurrent is available right away. Most people choose not to do it just so that if you file concurrent, you pay the 485 fees and all the other fees as well. And if in case the 140 gets denied, then you lose the 485 fees as well. So just for that reason, most people don't file concurrently, but theoretically you can file concurrently as well.